Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 25th of May 2022, Thursday, Wednesday. Okay, so today a lot of news. These oil company reporting, most of them reporting good profit and also some other company also making report today. So today feels like a good day Okay, so HIBISCS, Petron, report profit. CHINHIN also report big profit, so a lot of big things. Okay, let's check out the introduction first. Remember, want to open trading account, you can try CGS-CIMB account. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, don't forget to press the bell. Okay, so that you get all my every day when I upload, you get my notification. Okay, so don't forget, you can try CGS-CIMB account. You can play US, Singapore, Hong Kong stock also. Okay, check out the introduction first. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, let's go through the global first. Today got a ton of news. You see, a ton of news. Tons of news. Let's go through the global market first. Okay, KLSE today up 4.26 point. Slight momentum 0.278%, 15335. So Singapore dropped 0.239%, Hong Kong up 0.294%, South Korea up 0.436%, Japan dropped 0.263%, Thailand up 0.082%, Philippines up 0.309%, China FTSE up 0.351%, China SSE up 1.190%, China SXSE up 0.698%, Australia up 0.370%, Indonesia dropped 0.443%, New Zealand dropped 0.655, Taiwan up 0.880, Russia up 0.2777, New Zealand, India dropped 0.704. So Asia is how do we call it? A mixed result. Some up, some down. So it's not very strong. Okay, look at Europe, FTSE, FTSE, UK up 0.251, DAX dropped 0.086. So Europe also mixed results, so not very strong. Look at US, Dow Jones up 0.152, NYSE dropped 0.343, US S&P dropped 0.812, Nasdaq big drop 2.348. That's why US better don't play the locally don't play the semiconductor recovery doesn't look good with Nasdaq came dropping. And today I watched the news. So a lot of these newscaster asking those bankers and all those big bankers asking them whether recession coming or not. So a lot of answer is like what they are saying is like there could be a recession, but it's not a big one. Unlikely it's a big recession, not like the 97, those are a big recession, right? But probably recession is coming, but not a big one. And they asked Europe, that is US, they asked Europe, President Lagarde, the ECB president, Lagarde say she said unlikely is Europe will get into recession. But US likely recession, but will not be a big one. This is what I heard. Okay, as far as I know. Okay, palm oil 6,715, up a bit. Brent oil up 114, crude oil up 110, Gold up a bit, 1856. Silver 21.90. Didn't move lah. So remember. Okay, so let's check out KLCI. Quick look KLCI. Okay, KLCI today came back to retest. Okay, retest 1540. Get rejected. Coming back down. It came back to retest. Okay, but got rejected. So now it's looks like want to go down some more. Want to go down some more. Okay. Let's see what happened. Okay, I would prefer it to drop some more. The lower, the better. The lower, the better. Just wait and see. Now it already come back, retest. Probably most likely want to slide down, continue to slide down. Okay. Let's look at the market watch. Today sentiment 35 not very strong. Gainers 310, losers 586, or 2.35 only 2.35 billion only. Today the volume very small. 1535. So what happened today? Very volatile. Early morning. The retailer got buy in. Okay, buy in. After buying a while, start selling already. Okay, a lot of these institutions go in already, start to sell. And but then also got buy in a bit at 10 o'clock. Before institution really come in, still got buy a bit. Then after institution 10 o'clock onwards, it's all sell. Then after 12 got buy a bit. So today very seesaw. End of the day got afternoon got buy a bit. Institution got support a bit. Okay, so market is today unlikely can say is what they call it, unlikely to show any kind of sentiment. So today it's just like that only. Up and down, up and down, up and down. You can't see a real sentiment. Okay, market didn't show hand today. Okay, consumer 0.09 drop, industry 0.57 drop, construction 1.11 drop. Construction keep on dropping. Technology up 0.05, finance up 0.13, property drop again 0.93, foundation up a bit 0.92, RET drop 0.1, energy drop 0.95, healthcare up 0.11, telco drop 1.0, transportation drop 0.55, utility drop 0.01. So nothing much to brag about. So market is still very weak. You look at this, it's all red. Okay, top gainers also there are some. Casper continue up. Okay, so Casper continue to hold. Volume not very big. Casper continue to hold. KLK, this palm oil got IOI got a sudden spike. So look at the palm oil chart. Just look at the palm oil chart. We don't want to go through all the palm oil stock. Okay, so see what's going on with the chart. Nothing much nothing much I think any rebound or maybe small rebound coming, but I don't think it can go very far. Just play some coffee money can, but I don't think it can go very far. Okay, so because double top already almost like already created the double top so it's not a good sentiment. Okay. Okay, look at what else. Computer form continue to fly. Computer form we talked about yesterday already. This one unable to chase. Already went up too far. We talked about it yesterday. Metrics later we're gonna take a look. Got some volume. Inari maybe we take a look later. Got some big volume. So that's it nothing much today. Nothing much nothing much. Okay. So Facebook I got post a few things. Petron big drop already so you have to understand Petron big drop already yesterday I already say big drop have to out already CHINHIN also big drop wow, very bad CHINHIN. Also new competition from Signature. What happened weakening maybe so CHINHIN big drop but we already put stop loss. Remember I already ask you guys put stop loss so this one is not your, if you already cut loss, this one is not your pain if you don't cut loss, it's your pain On media today got one big drop you have to watch out media okay. Maybe I want to talk about media also Looks good, but suddenly a big drop today. Later we take a look. Morning construction and energy very big. Morning market super big lah. So today I got do both Chinese and English version of the forex forex forecast Okay, so please check out. I got English version here and a Chinese version both version. This one, CGS-CIMB. Wow, I hear the news Wow, I hear the 8 o'clock news Wow, Malaysia achieved overachieved target. Our target was 36, right? If I'm not mistaken. Wow, we achieved more than 36. We hit 39. Okay, we are all the minister all very happy. Then I go and see the table. What? We are aiming at 36 only, you know. We are aiming. People already get 200, you know, Vietnam, you know. Thailand get 90 over. Indonesia 60 over, Philippines 50 over, Singapore also beat us, you know. Philippines also beat us, you know. Indonesia beat us. And we are targeting for 36. People already reached the moon already, you know. We are targeting to the our target is only one step in front our leg only. People target the moon. I hear, you know, I mean, if they didn't, I didn't hear the news saying that, wow, Malaysia hit target, very good, very happy, I am still okay. But I hear the hit target, what kind of target is that? I mean, if you want to hit target, you want to aim for this kind of target, right? You aim for 36 means you are aiming you are at the bottom half of the of the list, you know. Malaysia, you know, Malaysia is no joke, you know, semiconductor country, you know, making semiconductor, you know. I don't know lah. If they don't make a big news talking about target, achieving target, all those things, I'm still okay lah. You don't aim anything lah. You aim if you really aim right, you are aiming here. So many medal up here, you are aiming. I don't know lah. I don't know what to say lah. This one it's not a joke. It's reality, right? A lot of comment very funny comment This one, Gerard talk about inflation. Inflation, of course inflation not good lah. Malaysian failing every area. Just like MIR keep on dropping national policy problem lah. So Malaysia boleh So I don't know lah. Maybe after 10 years we are still targeting here. Maybe people already aim for the moon we are aiming for the I don't know lah. I don't want to say lah online. So bad things but I just cannot I just cannot take it after all the hoo-ha, wow, win now, good Malaysia hit so many target, wow, win this, win that, win this. After I see the medal tally, oh my god. Singapore also beat us. Small country, little people also beat us. I don't know lah. I don't know this is a joke or what I don't know Being you know lah, when I was young that time I also quite active in running all those things but looking at this result I don't know what to say You guys, you leave your comment what you want to. I don't know what to say I don't know what to say after all the hoo-ha. I don't know what to say whether it's congratulate Malaysia or not, or what what is this, what the F is this. Okay. Headache lah. Look at that, headache lah. Cannot lah. Talk stock market also no mood lah. Buy me coffee, go to coffee.com Okay, look at the news. A lot of news today T7 Global Pro's net profit 2.72 million on the first quarter Okay. Improvement 1.789 to 2.7 but I don't think this one 43% up and revenue also increased 18% okay. So T7 Global just I don't know I can't see this T7 Global moving Let me see after the news come out. Yeah, not moving Their stock I just don't see I mean I start to feel about T7 Global, right? These are small thing cannot make the stock to go Must be something very big So nothing nothing. T7 Global nothing So we look at next one. Okay, DLADY net profit up first quarter 22% to 20.6 million. 16 to 20 and revenue also up 256, 258 to 299, 15 percent So look at Dutch Lady. Okay, Dutch Lady is like you want to play Dutch Lady, right? I think Dutch Lady is making a U shape lah. Have to wait long time lah. It's like an old lady trying to turn around lah. Maybe it's doing this lah. So you want to buy Dutch Lady, just get the dividend and hold long term lah. I think this one probably at the bottom already. You want to know this one at bottom or not? Okay, put a stop loss here. Okay, if it goes through 31.9895 means it's not bottom. So if it doesn't go through means bottom, means slowly it want to reverse up already lah. But inflation is not doing them a good, not helping them lah. Inflation because their costs all going up So inflation, all the retail is starting to feel the hurt, feel the pain Today my friend also call me a business owner in the chemical business they are manufacturing. They also call me talking about all their costs is going up, headache So okay, okay, Dutch Lady, okay, slowly long-term hold. Okay, Kawan, okay, Kawan Food expect 5% decline in gross profit because of the margin up the profit margin down okay, okay, profit margin down because of the inflation Okay, but CGS-CIMB still give at call 250 at call 250 look at Kawan at call 250 the SEA game really you guys got anything to comment I really like to hear what you guys think how can you set a target when you the target only takes you so far away below Singapore, Indonesia? Next time we're gonna below Laos probably. I don't know I don't want to talk too bad about them maybe. Yes, I'm not the one executing. I just cannot simply talk about who those people who execute. But I mean there is a target, right? The target could not be like the target, right? No doubt the target marginally better, but when people are already leaping to the moon, we cannot set our target to the toilet, right? Sorry. We cannot simply just set our target very near, right? So you guys think about it I really don't know. I really don't know set really set as a runner myself when I was young as a runner myself, I got some primary, secondary school got some medal running I got some medal running but I'm not the big runner but I still got some medal from the school run, in the school team, all those running but school competition but when you see this type of thing, right, you I don't know achieving target. Okay, we hit target, man, no joke Okay, Kawan Food. Okay, Kawan Food maybe rebound already RSI. Okay, below 50, come back above 50. Go back above 50. Okay, this one go back up. Maybe bottom channel buy already. This one you watch out watch out. Maybe this one Okay, if it goes through 1.7 if it goes through hold above 1.7 okay. So maybe it can hold. You can try I already put the mark here. Okay. So next few days, if Kawan rebound, maybe this one can go. Because we got a channel play HIBISCS. So HIBISCS third quarter's big profit 10-fold up 307 million. No wonder HIBISCS keep on going out. They are good, managing very good. The HIBISCS you see their chart, already this company very good. You see the chart, very good. 307 million to 32 million to 307 million net profit okay, and oil and gas revenue also jump the revenue also jumped 37%, 250 to 297 okay. 9 months cumulative, more than 7 times, the net profit 54 million to 397. Or revenue also went up 50%, 551 to 821. Also good luck because of the oil price going up. I'm not saying it's 100% management, but you still have to manage well, like some company in our country also oil and gas, right? Okay, oil and gas, but almost tapao already, almost going to bunkus already, right? You know who I don't need to say also oil and gas, right? So if they need management no good, right? I'm not saying that. Sometimes management also one thing, luck also one thing all luck also one thing, all these things add up all these things, circumstances all add up. Sometimes we cannot just simply just blame management. Sometimes it's not 100% what management problem but a lot of time is the management problem Okay, so as I said, a big drop already. News also come out. Okay, earning also come out. This one big candle out. Maybe can it still go up? There is a possibility, but it's good to take profit first or take some profit at least Then only we see what happen See what happen here. What you want to do later Okay. Now it's very scary already. News come out and a big drop Okay, metrics concept profit actually fall 22%, but proposed 1 to 2 bonus issue but they declared 37 cent 3.75 cent dividend okay but quarterly revenue drop 388 to 250 fourth quarter revenue profit also net profit also declined 78 to 61 million 22% encouraging property sales. Okay, so but the weird thing is metrics, right? Metrics today went up, metrics today went up quite a lot so metrics despite the report despite the report in metrics went up did went up today so want to chase or not? I think not almost oversold, but I think still can go, but I'm not chasing this one if I chase it earlier then maybe but now I don't now I won't chase it's too late. Almost reached the top channel almost reached the top channel. 2.6 now it's already 2.4 KF give 2.6 even though it go top channel even though it can go a bit higher top channel, you're talking about 5% target too late already wait for it to drop then maybe next time so AMBANK and RHB like want to merge and this Grab also interested to join them or to invest in this group that's the news saying there's a rumor so they are discussing not rumor, they are discussing they are having discussion this is the one of big merger one of the big merger of the year so let's see RHB got anything or not? Nothing big gap down we want it to go lower as a bank, as I said we want it to go lower. AMBANK starting to drop, we want it to go low then maybe then we play Okay, CHINHIN first quarter grow 73%, 26 million. And gain from disposal of SolarWest share SolarWest, I think SolarWest big drop today Don't need to talk about it that one. Everyone did know two big drop So CHINHIN 73% up 15 million to 26 million because of the disposal Okay, they get some money there. Revenue also went up 307 million to 350 million Okay, CHINHIN, I think CHINHIN already finished scoring already so don't chase CHINHIN already finished scoring one time already big drop here now already you see Watch this, divergence, okay, price going same high, but other side no more same high, so this one better, better don't chase in already, okay. Hong Leong Bank reached target of this, matrix again. Hong Leong Bank reached target, THS, 1.0, 1.6, 1 ringgit 60 cent, okay, so look at THS. 1 ringgit, a bit higher only lah. I mean, still out lah. You see, now bank are giving no more the target above all this high already. Now if they're giving lower target already, so you know lah. Means market always when banks starting to adjust their target lower than all the high here, that means they are not so pessimistic already. So CIMB Derby property, some property earning fell 21%, of 51 million 66 to 51 million Q1, and also revenue also slight drop, 580 to 480 million. So look at CIMB property. CIMB not so good, CIMB also not so good. CIMB prop also continue down, nothing to talk about. Already broken the bottom here. You shall not drop, you shall not drop, now already dropped already. This one KO. MALAKOFF post lower net profit, higher revenue. Okay, net profit Q1 50 460 to 50 million. Then revenue 1.35 to 1.8 billion. So okay lah, the business is okay lah. The business is still okay lah. MALAKOFF business is still okay. MALAKOFF is still sliding down, nothing much to talk about lah. Continue to slide. Okay, Leong Hub, because of the inflation, sorry, the ban of this export chicken, so they are so impact them, So Leong Hub, but still give buy call 61 cent, RHB still give buy call 61 cent, Leong Hub, okay lah, 61 cent RHB, but nothing already lah, nothing to play already lah. You can see, right, the target is only here, 61 cent is only here. Hong Leong Bank 56, Hong Leong, sorry, RHB. So this one also nothing to play already lah. So little gain, and also drop below this sideways already lah, difficult lah. KLK net profit within expectation only lah. So they are, I think they give whole call only now, 31 to 24, so drop already, their target, Afin. So you know, palm oil now, they are starting to slow putting the lower target already, so they are adjusting already. So to 24, Afin, so supposed to be up here, now they are cutting down already, so you know lah, you know now what to do with this one, what to do with this palm plantation, so CPI raised 2.3, but food actually, as I said yesterday, CPI didn't go a lot, but the inflation, but the food one goes up a lot, that's why lah. Okay, Farm Fresh also, July, they're going to increase price 5%, right? Okay, Amada post improved net profit 85 million, so 162 to 185, slightly better only lah. That's why their stock not going up, not like Hibiscus, right? Because Hibiscus, how many fold, their profit. Revenue drop, 529 from 531, so drop a bit, so Amada, that's why Amada not moving lah, not moving. Okay, slowly lah, going up, but not very strong lah. Slowly going up, not very strong. Okay, what else? Side part big drop lah. Our revenue today got some momentum. Take a quick look at revenue. Nothing lah. Nothing. Revenue, nothing. After the big drop, now maybe minor support only. Media you have to look lah. Media today big drop. I think the report coming will be bad lah. Media. Our entry point here 0.53. Remember our entry point here 0.53. If we drop below 0.53 out lah. If we drop below 0.53, become head and shoulder already. Out. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Leave your comment. How do you feel about the SEA game? I don't know what to say. Bye bye.